Are you happy right now?
Yes, I am very happy.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I have a lot of questions, actually.
If we argue, what will you do?
I will stay silent and ignore you.
Who will do the housework?
You will cook, and I will wash the dishes.
Who will manage our finances?
You earn the money, and I will keep it.
What if I make a mistake?
You must apologize immediately and buy me a gift.
Who decides where we go on weekends?
I will choose, and you will drive.
Will you be jealous if I look at other girls?
Try it, and you will see what happens.
Who wakes up first in the morning?
You do because you have to make breakfast for me.
Who is the boss in this relationship?
You are the head, but I am the neck that turns the head.
What happens when we get old?
I will still be beautiful, and you will still be lucky.
Do you promise to love me forever?
I love you more than anything,